started go-karts and ended up in Speedway and eventually got through to sprint cars. Eventful, long, and just we didn't have the car speed we were looking for all year. We were a little bit off all year, so that side of it was a bit disappointing, but new team and all that sort of thing. So overall it was good, just looking for a bit more speed this year. I think just any new team just takes a while to gel and figure out what everyone's like. And new cars, new crew. We've got a bigger team. We're running 4 cars this year, so but we split the team sort of thing. We have 2 cars based up at my house and 2 cars based in Mundajong at Craig's house. So I think that'll make things a bit easier. Just to be more competitive more than anything. Get some more speed out of the car, and we want to be able to compete for podiums all year. Probably a little bit of racecraft, but really it probably wasn't good for us in the end because we had to readjust every track you go to. You really couldn't get into a rhythm. So it wasn't until we got back home we started to get a bit of speed in the car. I don't really put any great expectations on myself. We just want to finish as high as we can and concentrate on the actual series.